explain to me what this is about.
This is a breathing machine, and this is where you use it to breathe, and this is where you hold it and use it.
A breathing machine. Okay, so the colorful shape on the right or on my left and your right is, what is that? The colorful shapes.
It's my hand.
Ah, your hand. Oh, okay, nice. Are you gonna have another hand?
Yeah, the other one fell off.
Where do you want to put the other hand?
Like right here.
Okay, so is it going to be colorful too?
Yeah.
So who is using, oh, so the middle, the brown head, is that like a person using the breathing machine?
No, it's just the color of the background.
Okay. It looks like somehow a little complicated. I don't like, so the top part is the, it looks like a filter or something, or what?
It's a filter.
Okay, so why don't you?
Finish drawing the earth.
That looks good, William. Thank you, Matthew.
Should I draw dead COVID-19 on the edge, on the bottom?
Okay, your drawing looks finished, Rachel. So why don't you outline and also color in the tubes, okay? So since this is an air purifier, you can change the color of the air inside the tube.
And how?
Ryan, what is a collage?
It's like a word from.
Where does the word come from?
A country. French.
Yes, it's a French word, okay? You were not listening. Okay, so what does collage mean? Colin, anyone? Ryan, keep thinking. William, can you help him? What's a collage?
It means to glue. I mean, like, it means to glue, but it means like, it's like, how do you explain it?
Try to explain it in your own words.
Gluing different pieces of to form one piece of art.
Yeah, you glue different pieces of materials onto another piece of surface, okay? It could be paper or it can be canvas. Canvas is made of fabric.
It could be anything.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's basically you glue small parts of bits of paper to make one big piece.
Right, but it doesn't have to be paper. You know, you can glue fabric, you glue different pieces of material onto a surface, okay? On a piece of
stuff.
What is value? William?
Value?
Yeah. Yes.
Value can mean like how much something is worth.
No, in art, what is value? I just explained to everyone, so nobody is listening.
I was drawing.
What?
I was drawing.
Value means the different lights and shades, the range of shadings, okay? The lightness of the shading, okay? So when I have a light value, what does it mean?
Light. Something is light.
Yeah, when I have a darker value, what does it mean?
Something is dark.
Okay.
Darker.
Same meaning as color. Claire, does value mean the same as color?
Types of color.
Yes or no?
Different shades of color.
It could be different shades of color, but if you have like black and white, which is kind of non-color, right? It can also have different shades too. So it doesn't have to, it doesn't mean color exactly, okay? It's different shades, exactly.
Shades.
Excellent. But yeah, that's very good work. So now you can just collage the different parts of the hand on the right. Do you want to make that black and white or color?
Black and white.
Okay, so do you know how to make a black and white paper?
No.
You can just use black and white, you can color in, okay? Make your own colored paper.
Wait, Miss Catherine, so I'm supposed to color it in paper and cut them out and glue it on here?
Just tear them. You don't use scissors, just tear them with your hands, okay? What is value?
I forgot.
Come on.
It's like the different shades of the
Oh
different
yeah,
shades.
Okay, Ryan, what is value?
it's like different shades of the
Yeah.
hand.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't have to be the hand. It's like different ranges of the shadings, okay? Like light and dark, okay? So right now your hand has only one color, right?
No.
No? I mean one value, one shade, one shading.
So I'm drawing my hands and then trying to crunch like the virus.
Okay, so your hand become a super hand, right? So
Yeah.
what are you gonna add to the hand to make it kind of Superman hand?
Might add like different shades. Like,
Okay, so now, yeah, that the different shades only shows the shades. Do you want to add some kind of mechanical things like robotic hand or a button or something to add to the hand, a machine or a Superman's glove or something?
yeah, that was what I was thinking.
Okay, and also your background is a little bit empty. Try to make some little ones to show it's the background and it's further away. They are different smaller ones, smaller backgrounds, okay?
My hand are holding in the earth, and it says no coronavirus on the bottom, on the top, and there's masks on the side.
Okay, that's why is your hand holding the earth? Is it protecting the earth or?
Yeah,
Okay, so it's a symbol of peace, right?
yeah.
That's beautiful. Thank you. It's a very nice card. What's this one about? What is that black thing?
This
Yeah,
is a mask.
it's a mask. How does it work?
It's like when you going from here, it goes in into the tube, and it goes out. The germs goes out too.
Ah, so it's like a filter and it goes in the tube when you breathe and then the germs goes out?
Yeah.
That's good. It's blocking the germs. And did you say that you had a battery somewhere?
Yeah.
Where's the battery?
Over here, though.
Oh, wow. That's really nice. Very high tech. Thank you. So, and then where are the viruses?
Oh,
That type of max actually exists.
Really? So are these viruses alive or are they supposed to be like half broken?
alive?
I mean, they're not alive, but they're just kind of active, right?
Yeah.
Are you going to have some of them non-active and not moving?
Yeah, there's some inside here.
Oh, okay. So what's that thing inside there, Ryan?
It's inside the, it's like when you wash your hands.
The sink.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. That's very sweet. Okay, thank you. That's beautiful. So Claire, tell me about your work.
So it's two hands, and one of the hands has the power that you can sprinkle medicine that helps kill the coronavirus, and on the bottom hand it's holding a cup, so it catches the medicine, and whoever's sick can drink it and they'll feel better.
Great. So since it's a magical kind of medicine, do you want to make the medicine a little bit more magical instead of just look like rain? Or could it become some kind of, or connect to some kind of rainbow in the background, or make the drips a little bit bigger when it comes down so that there's different colors in the drips?
I think I might have an idea for homework.
What's your idea?
So I want to make a long line connected into this, so it's kind of like candy, and then so it looks like it turns into medicine. It's like something
It's
you
like
eat.
a candy flavored medicine. So
Yeah, it's like a long candy.
okay, that's great. Good job.